yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Though you do me wrong, don't say you sorry. I know you got the girl, she did me sorry. Yeah. Just because I love you, come they play me. Just because I love you, you come betray me. Don't need no apology for the harm you caused me. I don't need no apology for the pain you caused me.
Baby girl, I'm drowning. Please come save me. Baby girl, I'm sorry. Me miss you daily. I need a psychiatrist. I need therapy. It's fucked up, I must confess. Hurting you hurt me.
Just because I love you, you come they play me. Just because I love you, you come betray me. I don't need no apology for the harm you caused me. I don't need no apology for the pain you caused. Not you are my Romeo, but you do me bad, oh. Let me tell you, say me not bumbo class, so watch how you talk to me, yeah. Never try to apologize, cause it don't mean shit to me, no. You lie, and it hurt me so bad. Oh boy, you made me cry. I wonder why you now realize.
It's crazy how me fucked up, but me still can't let you go. My confession put me in depression more than you know. A billion flowers for you. I wait up hours for you. Loving right here, take with the nightmare. I may miss when you wind up your body, I swear. Yeah, the legs them turn up, and your breasts firm up. When you're gone, my heart just burn up. Once I do in an African rap, yeah.
Just because I love you, you come they play me. Just because I love you, you come betray me. I don't need no apology for the harm you caused me. I don't need no apology for the pain you caused me.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shally, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say one year epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.